There you go.
Boom! We are in a bonus. Not the ball that I wanted to see, orange. I wanted to see the green one. But that's okay. We will take it. Hopefully that major will drop for us.
That's a nice mini.
They're $100 each.
Oh yeah.
I'd like to see a couple minors in here. Come on, baby. Be good to us. Last spin. Yes.
All right.
Coin Central. $270 win. So we're up on this one actually. A little over, what did we start at, 230? Was that 230 ticket? So we're a little over, about 120, 130 over. Not too bad. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, comment. It really helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching.